Hi, my name is Randy Labaza. Let's walk through creating an affine cryptanalysis cipher. The affine cipher is one where the simple calculator comes in handy because of the calculations necessary to solve it. A good quote length for the affine is about 25 characters. I've got one here from Sherry Yard. Next, we'll pick a value for A. The value for A must be such that it's coprime with the number 26. Using the selector will ensure that we get a correct value. Using a larger value for A only makes the problem marginally harder. Finally, we'll pick a value for B. Really, any value will do without any impact on the difficulty. I usually look for the ciphertext and see if there's any words or patterns that appear in it. Of course, keeping clear of anything inadvertently inappropriate, and pick something that looks somewhat interesting. We'll go with A equal to 5 and B equal to 14. Now you need to pick two columns that the mapping is given to the students. And then from this mapping, they'll be able to determine the values for A and B. And once they know A and B, they can solve the cipher by encoding the ciphertext and finding out what the cipher characters map to. So we'll pick F and B, and next we'll set the question text with the suggest question button. Here we see the mapping for the cryptanalysis is given. F maps to T and B maps to N. So that looks good. And now we will pick the suggest the points button, and the difficulty for cryptanalysis is taken into account by the suggest points button, which with cryptanalysis, these are a little more difficult, so worth a few more points. Next, we'll save it and we can move on to the next question. That's how you create an affine cipher for cryptanalysis. Happy code bustering.